Connecting with the divine with your eyes closed is meditation. Connecting with the divine with your eyes open is darshan. Come, let us all now move from meditation to darshan. Slowly, very slowly, please open your eyes.
नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्ति मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Shrimahans, Mahans, Sarvanyapitakartas, Yajamans, Sarvaparityakis, Shrimahans, Kailasas, ministers, ambassadors, diplomats, e-diplomats, citizens, consulate generals and supporters, Mantreshwaras, Vidyeshwaras, Ganeshwaras, Lokeshwaras, Astreshwaras, Paramashiva Ganas, and all those watching us live on Kailasa TV, Kailasas NTV, Kailasas HNTV, and social media platforms such as YouTube Live, Facebook Live, Twitter. I welcome all of you with my love and respect. Paramashiva's direct message. The superconscious mutation is the process happens in you when the six are added. One, conscious will, Satya Sankalpa. Second, powerful cognitions supporting the Satya Sankalpa. Third, emotional acceptance with excitement of that Satya Sankalpa and powerful cognition. Fourth, mental preparedness to manifest that Satya Sankalpa forever, continuously, eternally. Fifth, physical readiness to live and manifest this Satya Sankalpa. Sixth, initiation and the alchemy process by Guru. Jnana Rasavada. Listen. Listen to this very sincerely. Even by listening, you will have so many wonderful benefits, because I'm going to share many things related to the superconscious mutation. which is core form of manifesting Ishvara Tattva in me. I want to remind once more all of you, I'm talking about the parliamentary structure of Kailasa for last few days, governance structure. As part of that, I'm explaining 36 tattvas because people need to know these 36 tattvas and manifest the state space powers of Paramashiva to become part of the Kailasa government, the parliament of Kailasa. So I'm explaining now the fourth tattva, Ishvara tattva. First Shiva tattva, next Shakti tattva, third Sadashiva tattva, fourth Ishvara tattva. I'm explaining Ishvara tattva, how tapas makes you manifest Ishvara tattva is what I am explaining. I wanted to explain the tapas done on my body by my gurus. You need to know, my gurus loved me so much. This body was literally their own body. They felt it as their own. That is why I say, whatever tapas this body went through, they went through all the pains. Listen, they loved me so much. They felt this body is their own, they themselves, their very own. Whatever I went through this tapas, all the pain they went through in their body. They did not let this body go through any pain. See, before even the individual delusion, Maya, manifesting in me and going after my personal ideas about good, bad, what society teaches us as pleasure, pain, greed, lust, sex, pleasure, or comfort, luxury, whatever an individual goes through, before any of those patterns and or tastes developing in my system, my gurus made me realize I am expression of Paramashiva. I am manifestation of the principle, not individual. Understand? I am not individual. I am manifestation of principle. You need to understand. I am a manifestation of principle. Tattva, not an individual. Before even any identity or desires, fears of individual developing in my system, my gurus made me realize I am a principle, tattva. This whole process, superconscious mutation process for celibacy, is one of the tapas they went through this body. To tell you honestly, see now, listen carefully and intensely. My gurus loved me so much. When they did this process on me, they went through all the pains, not me. That is why I insist the tapas done on this body by my gurus. I felt their love, such beautiful, powerful, protective layer around me. The cushioning effect they gave, please understand. They did the tapas through this body. I want this to be on record. In this whole process of superconscious mutation, my body went through only the benefits of this process, never any pain. Listen to this powerful cognition, this principle. See, when a child grows, he learns from society, or society forcibly manipulates him, makes him believe, brainwashes him what is pleasure, what is luxury, what is comfort, what is good, what is bad, all that ideas. Then he starts developing his individuality based on what he picks up from the society as his taste. Before any of this pollution, corruption, delusion happened to me, my gurus made me realize I am manifestation of a principle, tattva. தனி மனிதத்தன்மை தன்னுள் மலர்வதற்கு முன்பாகவே தான் தத்துவத்தின் வெளிப்பாடு என்பதை தன்மயமாய் தனக்குள் உணரச் செய்தார்கள் என் குருமார்கள். Listen. Before I started thinking, feeling individuality in me, my gurus made me realize I am a manifestation of a principle through this superconscious mutation process. I'll show you one small video of this Agaya Garuda herb, which they use on my body, along with some more herbs. I'll show you that video, how that Agaya Garuda, Akasha Garuda, herb breaks a steel rod. See this video.
ஓம் ஆஞ்சநேயாய. 2 துண்டுகளாக வெட்டிவிட்டது. இதனுடைய சஞ்சீவியின் மகிமை இப்பொழுது இந்த சஞ்சீவி வேர் இது எப்படி வெட்டுகிறது என்று அந்த ரகசியத்தை நாம் பார்ப்போம். இது கடினமான கம்பியாக இருக்கிறதால் இது எப்படி வெட்டுகிறது என்று பார்ப்போம். இதனுடைய அந்த ஒரு சில சக்திகள் இதை இது பண்ணுகிறது. சிறிது பெரிய கம்பியர்கள் சிறிது அழுத்த வேண்டும். ஓம் ஆஞ்சநேயாய 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 ஓம் ஆஞ்சநேய ஓம் ஆஞ்சநேய ஓம் ஆஞ்சநேய ஓம் ஆஞ்சநேய ஓம் ஆஞ்சநேயாய ஓம் ஆஞ்சநேயாய ஓம் ஆஞ்சநேயாய. 2 துண்டுகளாக வெட்டிவிட்டது. இதனுடைய சஞ்சீவியின் மகிமை 2 துண்டுகளாக வெட்டிவிட்டது. இரும்பு கம்பியை ஓம் காளி ஓம் நம சிவாய ஓம் காளி ஓம் நம சிவாய ஓம் காளி ஓம் நம சிவாய.
Listen, they used this herb along with some more herbs, tied it on my body. I still remember the extreme sincerity with which they collected all the herbs and did the process. It's called pudambodudal. They keep that herbs inside a mud pot and burn that mud pot for continuously more than 21 hours. And very surprising thing, the herb inside the pot actually starts sprouting. Not only it is not dead in that heat and it doesn't get burnt or it doesn't become ashes, it became very green and alive. And it started sprouting. I saw the green, fresh roots developing. So it flourishes in the intense heat. So once they made sure that herb is alive, living, not dead, then they tied it on my male organ in the body with the 9 metal chain, the 9 thin rope, kind of a chain they made and tied it around me, called Ori, 9 metal, and silver 1 thread, gold 1 thread, and copper 1 thread, like that, 9 metal threads. They tied it together and tied it on my body, and I'm not supposed to, I can't go for 1, 2, 3. So they made me fast for 1 week and helped me only with few herbs, not to get dehydrated or faint. Just for that, they supported me with some herbs, which does not go inside the body. Just I have to keep it between the teeth. That herb makes enough saliva happen in the body. So I am not dehydrated, but there will not be 1, 2, 3. It's a secret process. Preparation. They did all the preparation and then they tied this. I think they tied it on a Friday, I still remember. And Monday morning, they took me to temple and cleaned my body and made me take bath in the temple tank and took me for the darshan of Arunachaleshwara. I wanted to show you the impact of this process on a person. See, the impact is multi-level, physical, mental, psychological, emotional, multi-level. I'll show you physical impact of this process. One sadhu who went through this process came and pulled the chariot in which I was going for Shahi Snan in Ujjaini. I'll show you that.
सम्मान के साथ एक व्यक्ति को देखभाल के लिए अवश्य छोड़ें। जो श्रद्धालु घाटों पर स्नान कर रहे हैं उन सभी श्रद्धालुओं से हमारा निवेदन है कम समय में स्नान कर कर बाहर निकले ताकि जो अन्य श्रद्धालु स्नान के लिए
Understand? This sadhu who pulled my chariot and my car through his male organ, his guru was part of the team which did process on me. My gurus, Hamsanandapuri and his associate, Nahagiri Baba and Tatwale Baba, who was supposed to have been dead long before, who enacted his own death but did not die. Just to escape from society, he enacted his own death. I insist that he is still alive. When I get evidences, I will produce it with his blessings and permission. Tatwale Baba also was part of the team which did this process on me, I'll project a small video of Tatwale Baba.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
The reason why I remember Tatwale Baba so well is he and Hamsanandapuri used to look like a twins. I even had a doubt whether they were twins, almost like literally molded in the same mold. The look, the way they looked and behaved, body language. That is the reason I insist on this memory, and I am very sure about this memory. With His grace, soon we may get some evidences, eyewitnesses that He is still in the body, He is alive, He is not dead. I'll share it with you all when I get it. So let me now clearly put this whole thing together. First, I want you to understand, when Guru loves you, he goes through the whole pain. You don't go through the pain. You just go through the tapas, but no pain. Pain, he takes it and clears it. Actually, my gurus did tapas through this body. There was never any pain. They just swallowed it and burnt it. In my case, I will never let you guys suffer. I'll burn all the pains, make you guys enjoy tapas. I'll just burn all the pains. It's my commitment to all of you. It's my commitment to all of you. Guru does literally the tapas through your body. My gurus did the tapas through my body. Meditate on this powerful cognition. Tapas will become too sweet. Tapas is the simplest, easiest way to realize your guru takes all the pain and burns it, never lets you go through any pain, but only makes you go through the tapas and gives all the benefits of tapas to you, then you will start enjoying tapas. See, when my kids send the message to me that they are doing Nirahara Samyama, they want to manifest these powers, they want to break this laziness pattern. See, tapas is the most sweetest way to realize the Guru's love for you. When you start doing tapas, you will realize you get only the benefits of tapas, and all the hardships your gurus, they take it and burn it. Actually, all my kids, even if you have intention to do tapas, that's enough. I will take away all the hardships and burn it. It's not that I go through that pain, I'll just burn it. You will get only benefits of the tapas. I'll give you an example. When my kids send me the message, Swamiji, I am going to do Nirahara Samyama. How can I let you suffer? You guys are too close to my heart. It's literally like how my gurus felt. I am their own, and this body is literally theirs. How they were protective. Naturally, I will have the same thing for you. Wherever you are, I'll hold you in my hand and make sure there is no hardships for you. You get only the benefit. I'll give you an example, not just only one person or two person. I'm just giving you few names. When Priyamaya sends me the message, she's doing Nirahara. And when she sends me the message, Shivayoga is doing Nirahara and studying Bhagavad Gita. Or when Tattvapriya says, I am doing Nirahara. Or any of my kids, when they post, I'm doing Nirahara, I'm doing this tapas, how can I let you suffer? You guys are too close to my heart. I am literally taking all the hardships and burning it away, giving you only the benefits of tapas. I can't let you guys suffer. I'll make sure I protect and hold all of you in my palms, and all of you enjoy the benefits of tapas, no hardship. Listen. Essence of today's satsang. Any tapas you take up, your guru gives you all the benefit, and he takes all the hardship and clears. I'll continue to expand on more details in further satsangs. Now, with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, the state, space, powers, being, super consciousness, and Kailasa of Paramashiva. Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.
श्रीकैलासोन्नतद्वादशान्तश्यामलापीठारूढ श्रीमीनाक्षिसुन्दरेश्वरा भिन्नस्वरूप परशिवपुत्ररत्न कुमार गुरुमण्यतुल्यावतार श्रीपार्वतीस्तन्यपानलब्धदिव्यज्ञान विश्रुतसकलनिगमागमसारभूतद्राविडवेदप्रवक्त्रे श्रीमत्परमशिवकरुणासमधिगतमुक्तामयचतुरश्रयान् गीयमानछत्रचामर श्रीचिह्नकाहलादिसमस्तबिरदावल्यलङ्कृत ज्ञानविज्ञानचक्रवर्ती सर्वजनसङ्घसद्यो निर्वाणदीक्षाव्ययापवर्गवर्ष विश्राण जीमूत परमतकलभकेसरी शैवसिद्धान्तस्थापनाचार्य श्रीराजाधिराजपाण्ड्यमहाराजगुरु क्षपणशाक्यादिमहान्धकारनिवारणज्ञानभानु वीक्षणानर्हार्हध्वजोच्छेदनपूर्वक श्रीमद्वृषभध्वजस्थापक शैवसमयकर्त्रे सर्वज्ञपीठारूढ श्रीजगद्गुरु श्रीज्ञानसम्बन्धदेशिकस्वामि वागीशसुन्दरमाणिक्यवाचकस्वामिनाम् अवतारभूत श्रीज्ञानसम्बन्धस्वामि पुनरुद्धृत श्यामलापीठ सर्वज्ञपीठ त्रिनवत्युत्तरद्विशततम गुरुमहासन्निधान अरुणगिरियोगीश्वर परम्परागत अरुणाचल सर्वज्ञपीठ गुरुमहासन्निधान कैलास परम्परागत काञ्ची कैलास सर्वज्ञपीठ त्रयस्त्रिंशदुत्तरद्विशततम गुरुमहासन्निधान नित्योत्सव नित्यमङ्गल नित्यकल्याण नित्यरजित कैलास परम्परागत आदिकैलास नित्यानन्दपीठ महासंस्थान महासिंहासनपीठकर्तः साक्षात् श्रीपरमशिव समुद्भूत कैलास परम्परागत वैवस्वतमनु इक्ष्वाकु हरिश्चन्द्र भगीरथ श्रीरामचन्द्र शूरसेन इत्यादि अनवच्छिन्न सार्वभौम चक्रवर्ति परम्परागत चतुष्षष्टि योगिनी मण्डित चतुष्षष्टि सम्प्रदाय प्रवर्तक मनुधर्मशासन सूर्यवंश प्राप्त सर्वज्ञपीठ सुराङ्गी साम्राज्य मूर्धाभिषिक्त चूडामणे साक्षात् श्री परमशिव समुद्भूत कपिल महागुरु पुनरुद्धृत महानिर्वाणिपीठ अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री महामण्डलेश्वर साक्षात् श्री परमशिव सिंहासनाभिषिक्त समस्त गणनायक श्री महागणपति समारंभ अनवच्छिन्न पीठाधीश्वर गुरु परंपरा प्राप्त अटल पीठ अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री अटल पीठाधीश्वर धर्म मुक्ति स्वर्गपुर स्वर्ण पीठ त्रयोविंश गुरु महासन्निधान कैलास परम्परागत आदिपीठ सर्वज्ञपीठ जगद्गुरो श्री कैलास पुनरुद्धारक श्री कैलास परमाचार्य श्रीमत्परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य वर्य सच्चिदानंद प्रणव स्वरूप श्रोत्रिय ब्रह्मनिष्ठ श्रीमज्जगद्गुरु श्रील श्री भगवत् श्री नित्यानंद परमशिव श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक परमाचार्य स्वामिन् अत्रागत्य परिपाल्य च अस्मान् विज्ञान वितरणेन विजयी भव जय जय।